The anticipation for the next iteration of the iPhone SE is reaching its peak, with tantalizing leaks and rumors flooding the tech sphere. This time around, it seems Apple is gearing up to deliver not just incremental updates, but a significant overhaul, promising a fresh design and cutting-edge features that could redefine the mid-range smartphone market. So, what can we expect from the iPhone SE 2025? Let's delve into the details. It's about time Apple made some changes to the design of their iPhones. It's been a while since they've made any significant changes to the design, but it seems like the iPhone SE 2025 is going to be a game changer. I'm excited to see what they come up with. Leaked CAD renders suggest a departure from the familiar aesthetic, drawing inspiration from the sleek lines of the iPhone 14. It seems like the new Southeast line has retained the front notch and opted for a single camera setup at the back, which gives it a more minimalistic look. The inclusion of an OLED display is a significant upgrade for this line, which promises to enhance the colors and provide deeper blacks. However, to keep costs in check, Apple will likely opt for an LCD screen akin to the iPhone 11. It's great to hear that the new iPhone SE 2025 will not only have an updated design, but also improve performance and efficiency thanks to the rumored A16 Bionic chip. It's always exciting to see technological advancements that enhance the user experience. Coupled with 5G connectivity, users can expect seamless browsing and faster download speeds. RAM capacity is rumored to receive a bump up to 6 GB, ensuring smooth multitasking and enhanced app performance. Storage options are likely to remain conservative, with choices between 128 GB and 256 GB variants. While some may crave larger storage capacities, Apple has historically aimed to strike a balance between affordability and functionality with its SE lineup. In terms of camera capabilities, the iPhone SE 2025 is rumored to feature either a single 12-megapixel wide lens or a dual-camera setup similar to the iPhone 12. While it may not compete with the flagship models in terms of photographic prowess, it's expected to deliver reliable performance for everyday shooting scenarios. Battery life is always a crucial factor for smartphone users, and the iPhone SE 2025 is rumored to pack a respectable 3,279 mAh battery. While exact figures remain speculative, Apple's optimization prowess coupled with the efficiency of the A16 chip should ensure all-day usage for most users. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, the price. Apple has managed to keep the cost of the iPhone SE relatively affordable compared to its flagship counterparts, and it's unlikely to change with the 2025 model. Rumors suggest a starting price of $449 for the 128 GB model, with the 256 GB variant likely to fetch $569. I completely agree with you. The iPhone SE 2025 seems like a great option for those who want to enjoy the Apple ecosystem without spending a lot of money. It's great to see that Apple is catering to budget-conscious consumers and offering a cost-effective solution to their products. As you mentioned, based on historical patterns, it seems like the release date for this product should be in the spring, with previous models being available in March or April. While leaks point towards a 2025 release, it's worth noting that plans can change, and Apple's timeline may shift accordingly. In conclusion, the iPhone SE 2025 promises to be a significant upgrade over its predecessors, with a fresh design, improved performance, and 5G capabilities. While exact details remain in secrecy until Apple's official unveiling, the leaks and rumors paint an exciting picture for Apple enthusiasts and budget-conscious consumers alike. And that wraps up our deep dive into the iPhone SE 2025 rumors and speculations. Stay tuned for more updates as we inch closer to the official announcement from Apple. Exciting times lie ahead for the world of tech, and the iPhone SE 2025 is poised to make its mark.